Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT and error occurred. Please try again later, try again problem in ChatGPT application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT application. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT and error occurred. Please try again later, try again problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.